If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, now's a good time as ever. I mean, after all, most people are online and they spend lots of time consuming lots and lots of videos. So maybe you've got something to offer. And in any case, if you do, and you have a successful YouTube channel, well, that could be the start of many things. Not just making money off ad revenue, but maybe you're selling something like a course or some sort of affiliate link to something. Let me go over 10 things that you can do right now to get started with your YouTube channel. Remember, when starting a channel, it's going to be about what you know a lot about, because you're going to be creating content based on that. And sometimes solving people's problems is a good benchmark or idea to work with when it comes to making YouTube videos. Let me give you 10 ideas that you can work with right now, one of which is personal finance and investing. So maybe you can give tips on budgeting, investment strategies, things that you know a lot about and you can create videos on. And I will tell you this, that most videos that do well are usually the how-to. So if you set up your video with the words how-to and then fill in the blank, when it comes to personal finance and investing, those could do really well. Number 2, health and fitness, okay? Maybe there's certain workout routines, maybe there's some nutrition advice, mental health tips, wellness practices, whatever that may be, that you can give advice about and build upon video with what you know. It's infinite, right? Okay, so gaming is one that I tell people that you can create a channel with. However, I never always recommend that because there's so many gaming channels that you've got to set yourself apart from everyone else. And you may not even be into gaming. All right, number 4, travel and adventure. You can create vlogs, travel tips, destination guides, and certain cultural experiences. People are always looking to see what's out there and they want to experience it through your eyes. So creating travel and adventure YouTube channel based on that could be really lucrative. Number 5, beauty and fashion. Makeup tutorials, product reviews, fashion hauls, styling tips. These are all helpful. Number 6, DIY and crafts. So maybe you've got tutorials on home projects, crafts, maybe creative hacks, whatever that may be. So you can create lots of videos on that as well if you know about that area. Number 7, technology reviews. Maybe you're unboxing things, your gadget reviews, there's tech tutorials, industry news, whatever that may be. It revolves around technology, which is always going further. Number 8, cooking and food. Maybe you've got recipe videos you want to share with the world. Maybe you've got cooking tips. Maybe you've got certain food challenges. Maybe restaurant reviews, whatever that may be. Cooking and food could be a lucrative one to work with. Number 9, education and tutorials, study tips, skill development, educational content across various subjects. Education will never go away, and why shouldn't it, right? Because people always want to learn more. So if your channel is about education and tutorials, that's a great one to work with. And last is lifestyle vlogging. So maybe you've got daily routines, maybe personal stories. Lifestyle vlogging could be about a lot of things, but you've got to pick one. Pick one that you know a lot about and one that you're comfortable with and one that you think you want to take further. So now what I want you to do is take one of those ideas that you're probably most interested in and then look at channels based on the topic. So what we're going to do as an example, we'll do, just to kind of like as an example, we'll do health and fitness. And we'll show you how to start a channel based on what's already working out there for someone else. So upon a search on YouTube, I put in health and fitness. And what you'll notice is these are all the top 10 things people are looking for right now on YouTube. And that's basically what it does. It fills in the blank of all the things people are looking for. But we're just going to go with health and fitness. We'll do a quick search and maybe we'll scroll down a little bit, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to kind of give you an idea of how you can learn a little bit about this. All right, so we're on health and fitness. Let's click on this video here. Specifically, we want to go to this channel, Healthy Long Life. That's the name of the channel. We can find out a few things about it. They have 504,000 subscribers, 54 videos. The most important thing to me is, when it comes to videos, which are the popular ones? Okay, so if this is your niche, I want to know which are the popular ones. We go to popular, and then we'll scroll down, and you can see right here, I avoid 5 foods, and my body is 30 years younger. Okay. It's a year old. They've got 4.6 million views. Okay, so we could actually take a video like that, and this one here, and this one here and sort of repurpose it and kind of make it your own, okay? So when it says I avoid 5 foods, maybe they're not the exact 5 foods, but you can sort of repurpose the content, and that's where it gets fun, and you'll get a lot of attention that way. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. So do the YouTube search for the topic or the niche, find out which videos are the most popular on that channel, and repurpose those videos to match you and make yourself unique, but without trying to be too different or original, I should say, because you want to be different original, but you don't want to be so different original nobody sees your video. Nobody's interested in the topic. There has to be interest in the topic. And another thing you can do is head to Google Trends and you can find out more. So let's say I click on Google Trends, and what I'm going to put in is health and fitness as keywords, and we'll just see what pops up. Okay, so we're exploring the keywords health and fitness. We'll click Explore, and again, this is in Google Trends. We want to know what's happening right now. Now you're going to see this graph here, and it says interest over time. You can see there's activity going on, and it's all over the country. So we know that this is a pretty good topic, okay? Right here, right out of the gate. MS Health and Fitness 2024, Mr. Health and Fitness. So we may want to click on these, find out a little bit more. We may want to base things off of these topics. So starting a YouTube channel is really not that hard. You just have to get started. Find out what you know a lot about, pick a niche that has a lot to say, and try to solve problems with it. Once you get your topic, make your first 10 videos for your YouTube channel. Make 20 videos, make 30 videos. See which ones are performing well. Once you figure out which ones are performing well, then you can piggyback that idea and scale the idea. So if a video is doing well, make more videos like that. And that's how it works. Make sure that your average view duration is good. So that means the watch time. Make it interesting. Okay, so even if it's just you talking into the camera, make it interesting. If you have a mobile device, you can make YouTube videos. If you have any questions, I'm here. I've built multiple channels, and I'm here if you need any help. See you soon.